Hello everyone, this is Rizwan Maniya and welcome to Wifi's YouTube channel. And this video is really important. Do you want to study from free content and that too very valuable one? Yes, I'm talking about ACCA Study Hub, a very useful resource. Study Hub is easily available to you people, and in today's video, I will be telling you what important things are part of this Study Hub. Let's demonstrate here by opening the ACCA Study Hub. So this is the video. Do watch the video till the end so that you can benefit from the free content that is available very near to you. So here we are. So you go to Google and just write here ACCA Study Hub. You can select that. Once you will select, you will see ACCA Study Hub right at the top. After that, you just scroll down and come to this area. And there are two options through which you can log in. One is login via my ACCA account or the alternative login. So if you are just interested in ACCA Study Hub very quickly, so you just select alternative login. After that, you input your credentials, whatever those are. I don't want to know those. Once you're done with that, just sign into this and you will land at the ACCA Study Hub. So here you are at the ACCA Study Hub. The papers, obviously the papers that you are planning to give or the papers that you have registered yourself for. So you can go here to my exam, you can scroll the number of papers and the papers where you want to go. So I'll just select my paper, my favorite paper, Advanced Performance Management APM, and I'll just click the button Go to Exam. So here we are into the area of APM content. Now, you can see here chapters on one side. Below that there are chapter flashcards, quizzes, practice, and the search option. If you see here in chapters, these are well structured chapters. The best thing is these are according to the exam syllabus. If you look at the exam syllabus, you will see that that syllabus is well aligned with these chapters. And the best thing I like about ACCA Study Hub content compared to any textbooks is that the way they have structured is it is very easy for you to study any respective area that you want to. See, if it is chapter number 1, strategic management accounting, so you can see here in this, there is one area, strategic performance management. In that, there are further subtopics. The best thing is if you click any subtopic, you just go to that particular page. It's just one page, right? So basically, it's just one page in front of you that you have to study. So psychologically, it gives you a very good motivation, as well as it eases the pressure that, okay, this is the only page I have to read, no matter how long it is, but that's the only one page I have to read. So that's a very good flexibility, I must say. Now, if I just start with the first chapter like this, so you will see a visual overview of the chapter that gives you the idea what are the topics that are under this chapter. And once you move ahead, this is 1.1, the first area that I mentioned. So this is the only thing that you have to read here. You can use options of highlighting. As you can see here, things are highlighted. So you select this and you can simply go to this highlighter option. You can select the highlight and you will see the highlighting to be done. So for your future reference, you can highlight things, you can study very easily and with lot of flexibility. So like this, I can move on to the next area. As you can see, this is 1.2. And similarly, you move on and you move on, you move on, right? Now, if I go back to the chapters area, as I said, you can go to any one area that you want to quickly read if you're not sure about, like if I want to know about strategic planning, so I'll just go to that area and this is just written about strategic planning. This is the best thing. That's huge flexibility, honestly speaking, okay? Like this, the topics are well structured. You can read these areas quickly without any issue. Now, another very good thing that I liked here is once you're done with this one area, for example, if I go to benchmarking, last topic, where you can see I've gone through this. Now, as I move on, they will give me the idea about the syllabus coverage, what I have covered so far. and a quick summary and quiz. That is also good for me. Now I can directly enter into the quiz if I want to test my knowledge. So if I go to this, I can start a quiz where there are 5 questions that you can solve just for your understanding. Like it's like an MCQ, for example. Yeah, for professional papers, there are no MCQs, no OTs, but these are good to test your own knowledge. These are good to test your own understanding, whether what I've read through is that I'm able to retain that in my mind or not. So you can solve these 5 questions just to test your knowledge, where you stand and how things are going. Even you can pause the quiz, you can come back later as well. So this is clear to you, I'm sure. I'm going back to the chapters area, and here I was. Once I'm done with that, I can go to the quizzes for each and every area. Once you move ahead, you will see the best thing, and that is technical articles. Wow, this is superb, honestly speaking, my friends. You know, the way ACCA has made this easy so that you do not even miss the technical articles. Once you are done with one section, one topic, and if connected articles are published by ACCA, you can directly go and read then and there. This is how you ensure that you don't miss out on articles. Now you don't have to go to ACCA website and search the article separately. No, 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 nothing like that. You can just read then and there. This completes your knowledge. I do say a lot that the articles are good source of content for you, rich source of content for you. Articles sometimes gives you so much clarity that you don't even have that clarity by reading the books. So these are very good to read. Definitely you should read these. Now these are the articles. Once we are done with that, now I'm into the next chapter with the same overview, and things will move on in a similar way. So my friend, this is all about the chapters. Like this, you can complete all your reading side by side. You can do quizzes. You can read the technical articles to complete your knowledge and understanding. And the best part is the way ACCA have structured this according to ACCA syllabus. Awesome. Very good. Very good. Okay. Done. At the start, also there are some materials available like the knowledge recap of PM to 8 p.m. that if you want to just go through those things. So these are the other stuff already available. Plus syllabus and study guide is also available. You don't have to search for the syllabus separately now. Now, coming towards the next feature is flashcards. Now, I personally love this option. Literally, very much useful. Flashcards. You know what flashcards will do? Flashcards, these are 76 words, I would say, 76 terms, I would say. And if I am ensuring that I have the clarity of these 76 terms, this means I've completed my syllabus. If you want to test yourself, do you know things as far as APM is concerned? Have I completed everything? All the technical jargons are clear to me or not? My friends, this is the feature for you. Make sure you use this flashcards, 76 different terms. So you can flip and understand the meanings. That's the best thing. You flip, understand the meaning. Go on. The next word, flip, understand the meaning. Go on. Flip, understand the meaning. Go on. Flip, understand the meaning. That's the best thing. That's the best thing. Flashcards are easy to access. Make sure for any paper you are attempting, whether it's SBR, it's financial reporting FR, it's SBL, any other paper, make sure that you do know the terms, the jargons here. And once you are clear that I know these 76 terms, I'm good to go. So that's a very useful resource. Coming back to the quizzes, if you want, you can solve these quizzes while you are reading the chapters. If you don't want, you can come back to that same quiz section. These are connected with the chapters as you can see, and you can solve these later on as well. Then comes the practice area. Yeah, the past papers, mainly I would say. There are a lot of past papers here when it comes to APM. So again, this is a good source of practice. You don't have to quickly jump to the ACCA platform, but I do recommend that you use the platform, ACCA platform, for drafting your answers, because that is what will be given to you in the paper. You can see my ACCA platform video as well. That will give you further clarity about the usage of the platform and how platform is very important for students to practice on when they are preparing for their exams. You can watch a separate video on that. Now, these are the past paper questions. For example, drinks group question of budgeting. If I want to solve, I can start my practice. This is the question. I don't have to search it. Now, on your ACCA practice platform, there are not many past papers there. But here you will see these past papers. So you don't have to search out the past papers. You can easily find out these past papers. And I would recommend, yeah, you can input your, you can plan your answer. You can see it says plan your answer. So you can plan your answer here. But I would recommend, definitely what you can do is you definitely go to the ACCA practice platform and solve there. Write your answers there. Do the drafting part there and keep questions in front of you. So these are the practice questions available to you, and your time will be noted down. That's the best thing again. So as I said, you open, for example, so you can come to the ACCA platform screen here, and like this you can move and switch between the screens to solve your answers. That's very much flexible for you, right? And at the end, your time will be noted down, how much time you took. So that's the best way to actually gauge your time management. As we always say at Wi-Fi, I always focus a lot. Every tutor at Wi-Fi focuses a lot on time management. We are not able to complete the paper. Now, why? Because we don't practice. So this is the best resource you have, that make sure you open the question on one window and the practice platform the other window, and do solve the questions according to your comfort. So this is how you can complete everything. These are the practice questions available. Now, if you are a Wi-Fi student, you will definitely be very much relaxed seeing this, that almost all the questions that are mentioned here that related to past papers, we have completed on our Wi-Fi platform. So guys, that's it about this very important ACCA Study Hub. So ACCA Study Hub, along with the practice platform, is a very useful resource for all ACCA students appearing in ACCA examinations. Do make sure you use this. I hope this video will help you. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and do give your comments about the video, whether the video is useful or not. And if you need more content like this, do mention in the comment section. Take care. See you very soon. Take care. Bye.